Hi, welcome to lesson number 3, naming the strings. Our main objective is that by the end of this video, you are expected to be able to identify all the names of the 6 strings without stress. Now let's look at the guitar. This is an acoustic. The acoustic and then the electric, they all have the same features. The strings names are the same. So when there is an acoustic like this or an electric guitar, when you are reading the tablature, it reads like this. It starts from the smallest to the thickest. Alright, we are starting from the smallest to the thickest. In numerical order, we can count, let's say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Now, the name of the first string is E, as in Emmanuel. The second string is B. The third string is G. Fourth string is called D. Fifth string is called A. And then the sixth string is called E. So you can see that the first and then the last, or the sixth, have the same name. E, E. Let's take it again. First string is called E. Second string, B. Third string, G. Fourth, D. Fifth, A. And sixth, E. I hope you've got them. Let's quickly do a little bit assessment. Now, what name is given to the C string? The third string, what is its name? What is its name? The first string, how do we call it? The fifth string, how do we call it? The second, how do you call it? Your feedback is needed for evaluation. Send me a WhatsApp message on my WhatsApp number on the screen now. Meet you in the next lesson.